What it is, man? It's your boy Not a Nation, boy. We back at it. This might be the final POV that I get, or that y'all get. And that's only cause, brody, we giving the car away. Link in the description if you're interested. But since we giving the car away, bro, I can't be driving it too much, so I'm gonna do one last little joyride, and that's it. And hopefully I don't get pulled over while we doing this shit. So as y'all can tell, bro, I stay in a decent area, you feel me? I'm gonna say like a white area, no bullshit. But the problem with that is, bro, the police don't play around at all whatsoever. They hate me, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Every time they see me, I'm getting pulled over by them. That shit suck. They just impounded my car and took my gun. I finally got my gun back after a whole month. So yeah, I ain't no bullshit over here. We going straight back to the ghetto. You feel me? Come mess around over here, bro, they will hit your car. No bullshit. They will flip your shit. Time out. What the fuck am I doing? Hold on, bitch. Let's put this bitch in track more real quick. I might go get this bitch detailed and then just put this whole up in a garage or something and just not even bring it out no more. I ain't gonna lie, bro. The speed limit 30, we going 40, but they still going kind of slow. The car head is pushing. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, I might have to go around there. No bullshit. Never mind, them boy picked up speed. Ain't no need. Damn, I wonder if y'all can hear the burbles on it. Hold on. Downshift. Can y'all hear the burbles? Ugh, hold on. Damn, bro. And this ain't no tune or nothing. This shit raw. Probably can't even hear it though because all the wind noise. But that's the thing, bro. I do not have no tune on this car. To make my car shoot flames and pops, there's no tune on this car. This is straight like hot. What is it? Hot Licks flame kit. That's it. All of these spark plugs that's wired to the ignition coil or something like that. I don't know exactly how it works, but I know that it cut the ignition coils and instead of running lean all the time, it only run lean when you're trying to shoot a flame. And not only that, it doesn't run too lean to where it's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm trying to give y'all the POV shit, but damn, bro, it's so much traffic, bro. You gotta go around this shit. Shit, oh shit, we done woke up. I ain't did this shit in so long, bitch. Did this shit in so long, bitch. I just downshifted hard as fuck too, on accident. Damn, police right there, bitch. We might have to run. I ain't even gonna lie. If we have to though, we doing it. Fuck it, cause I'm not. Damn, nigga. Language, my bad. Go ahead. All them cars coming. Oh, the police coming too. He get behind me. I'm telling you, I'm doing the dash on his ass. I don't give a fuck. Think about this shit precisely. We a couple cars ahead. I think we straight. Fuck it. Fuck it. Get my ass over a little bit just in case they want to come out. You gotta watch out for everybody else over here. People do not know how to drive over here, and that shit's sad. See, look at this shit. They just look at this shit. What the fuck? What going on? I'm going the wrong way and everything. Hold on, bitch. Let me cut. Slamming on brakes and shit. Blowing horns. Non-driving ass. Come on now. You saw me coming. And then I bet they finna. Damn, they turning. Wait, they ain't driving slow. They kind of pushing that hoe, so fuck it. But how good does it work? Shit, I don't know. Yeah, they getting out the way now. My time to shine. Big 305s all around. You can take a turn like this. Damn, I just feel my organs going to the left side of me right now. Big ass stop sign. I mean red light. Might have to go around there. I can't lie. And I can't even push. You know what? I'm gonna go the other way on the way back. I can't even push that to my limits. I mean to its limits. Cause all that damn traffic. This bitch do sound good though. I wonder, can you hear the burbles now? Big ass 18 will. Did you hear the burbles now? Oh, that bitch. Oh, hold on, let me upshift real quick. what you call it. And there's more traffic, bro. What time is it? It's not even 9. That shit wrong. Go ahead and make that right turn. Man, go ahead and make that right turn. I think this the way. Why about the cat? Oh, I should turn around right now and give it to his ass. He gonna fuck me up though. He gonna fuck me up. He probably ain't even trying to play today. If I see another car, another fast car, and he going the other way, I'm gonna turn around and I'm gonna push it with his ass. Damn, that bitch was all white though, all white. Damn, that bitch was kind of nice. Kind of want to go back and play with his ass. No homo. That shit sound gay. Straight break. What the fuck? I'll pop a flame and I'll destroy that shit. What they call that shit? A J break? Jake break? Some shit. I want an 18 wheeler. I ain't even. Ooh, shit, it's an 18 wheeler back there just sitting right there. And I think I went the wrong way. Damn. Alright, Brody, so after an hour of driving, I done finally found a spot which is right there, but it's a whole bunch of trucks in the way. I hope they ain't sleeping because they about to get woken the fuck up. I can't find no other spot. I done tried. And that is police right there. You think he gonna pull me over? Nope, he kept going in that. Yeah! I'll tell you, they don't fuck with me. Then I just blasted past his ass. Going the other way, I just hit a U-turn. They just don't care. But it looked like a lot of these trucks are empty, so I'm gonna bust a quick U-turn real quick. And I'm gonna make the quick video. I'll be right back. Got to do a quick stop and just look at this beautiful piece of freaking work right now. Hopefully don't nobody come up behind me on some bullshit, cause I am out here in the damn open. One day, mark my word, cause this bitch is completely empty. Don't nobody own it. One day, I might have to cut that damn lock. I might have to cut that down lock and host the car down here, cause that bitch, look at that, boy. Whole warehouse to ourselves. But anyway, that's what I was saying, bro. Gotta come look at the car real quick, cause damn, bro, this is beautiful. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna miss this car, cause once it's gone, bro, it's gone. I'm gonna have to get something else. I'm thinking, I ain't told nobody else this, but I'm thinking I might go ZL1, might go Vet. I don't know. I gotta go LS, cause lately they been popping up everywhere. I think that's a sign. Not only that, they just sound the best out of all the cars. I know I got a Dodge or whatever, but they just sound the best. But let's take a look. Let's go over the specs, bro. You come with a cat hood with protection. Hold on. Let me pop the hood real quick. Don't mind all the SRT and auto shit like that. I'm gonna take all that off unless you want it. But you come with these big ass intakes, sound real good. I would show y'all, give y'all a couple rails, but I don't have my stand right now. You got the bad boy SRT. That junk glow up in the dark. You got the red eye wheels, brody. Red eye wheels, them boys are disc, front and back. This ain't the 4-piston, this is the 6-piston brakes with a big ass pistol side disc. 305s all around. Listen to the exhaust. The exhaust is going crazy. That's what I was talking about the license plate. Look at that shit. Depending on what angle you at, you can't read it. But anyway, the exhaust is crazy. 5-inch tips, bro. This shit. I wish I was able to win one of these cars, you feel me? Like, this is the shit that I grew my whole page off of and everything. I actually started with a Mustang for the real day one fans, but this right here really took me all the way off. And now I'm able to give it away and get another car, which is giving back to my supporters, the ones that made me me. It look like the sun going down now, but let me go ahead and get my final push. Hopefully, it ain't no, is that a cat? Oh, that's a scat. Either way, that shit's still hard. But let me go ahead and get my final push in before I gotta put this car up forever, because I can't drive it no more. I still ain't got my license. That shit's sad. I be trying, bro, but they be fucking with me, bro. I ain't even finna say it. I ain't finna say the rest. I'm just keep going, because I know the police watching. How you doing, police officer? I like you, police officer. It's cool. How your day going, police officer? I'm not a bad kid, police officer. I don't even drive bad. What you see right now is computer, AI generated. You feel me? This is not real. This is a voiceover, because I can't see the damn thing. I can't even see the speed limit. Oh well. Oh well, I don't see no kids either. I think we're good. I think we're straight. Let's just say 40 miles an hour. Now imagine if my brakes fail right now. The tree is my friend, you feel me? That shit would have been so bad. Let me check my brakes after. I'll check my brakes after. That's a blind hill. Let me slow down. I think I just hit triple digits. But you can't really see. I don't know. You can. Y'all don't know. I didn't check. Tell me if I hit triple digits. I was probably close. Blind curve. I mean, blind hill. Come on, man. Yeah, this is the best part. I gotta go around there. I'm sorry. Don't do what I do, kids. Stay in school, kids. Fuck. But I can't even do it. I can't even. Man, ain't that some shit? Too many cars. But it ain't one on this one. Let me see something. Stay in cool. Stay in school, kids. Don't do what I do. I don't know how fast I just took that turn. It felt beautiful though. It felt freaking amazing. And this right here is why I gotta shift. There's a big ass bump on that side. I had to avoid it. I'm doing so much shit. I just had to throw it back and drive in automatic with my left hand. And that right there is the last time y'all will see that type of shit, you feel me, on this car. You feel me? Wait till I get another car. When I get another car, we take them bitch to the track. We take them over to the track. My damn throat hurt and shit. Damn. I can't lie. This the type, I'm telling you, this car, what made me blow the fuck up. Oh shit, that's a red light. I can go. I mean stop sign. But this is the car that blew me up and made me, like, you know, made this possible, bro. I get to give this car away to people that watch me. You feel me? Because y'all made this possible. Y'all kept watching videos. Y'all kept liking. You feel me? And now I get to give away. I get to give one of y'all damn, I can't talk. I get to give one of y'all this car. The car y'all been watching, the car y'all been fiending, I get to give it to one of y'all. That shit crazy. It made me feel so good. And it's just the first one, you feel me? I'm gonna do this with, like, if this shit go good, I'm doing it every time. I'm doing it every time. Every time I get a car, giveaway immediately. I ain't even finna hold yo. I'm gonna give it away. You feel me? But yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm gonna end this. Damn, I passed where I was supposed to go. I think I'm gonna end this video right here though. If you like the content, like, subscribe. More content is on the way. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Just be patient, man. I got a lot of shit going on, but more content is on the way. And the song that is about to play is my new song, bro. Y'all shout out to me. Hey man, go. If you like it, go ahead, download it, save it to your shit. save it to get shit, cause yeah, I need all the funds I can. Giving y'all this car. And now I'm out of here. I keep